Alright, this is a Honda Accord 1994. So our task today is to replace the new gasket, oil pan gasket. Here's our oil pan gasket right there. Okay, and before that we have put a jack stand in addition to our floor jack, right there on both sides. Alright, so we went ahead and drained the oil first before start dropping the oil pan. Okay. Right, to get the back part. Alright, it's off. Alright, we're gonna remove this plate cover right here. There's a bolt right here and one up there, right there, and we may have to remove this on there, maybe right there. We'll see. But also there's another one. One right here to remove, right here. Alright, so we're gonna have to remove this cover, this bolt right here, bolt right there, and there's 3 bolts, and that's a size 12 sockets that we're gonna need to do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, now that it's off, we can now remove this cover, just like that. See, that's the cover. Okay, and then also remove these plates, like that. And now we have access to the, to the bolt right there, and also bolt on the other side. Right here, so I don't know if you can see that. There is the bolt right there. There you go. Right there is the bolt. Now we're ready to remove the exhaust pipe right here. Alright, we're ready to remove these bolts, these nuts right here. Right there. Okay. And then the other one. There you go. It's off. Alright, so now we got this thing out. Okay. Alright, now we are ready to pull or start loosening down the all the bolts. There's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, about 18 bolts. Alright, since I'm by myself, I don't have anybody to hold it while I'm removing the last three bolts. I'm gonna use a jack stand. Yeah, right there. Alright, so I'm gonna use a jack stand to hold that, keep it from falling down into my face here. Alright, I'm down to one bolt right here. Last one. Alright, now I got them off. As you can see, the jack stand is holding the pan, the oil pan. Okay, now I'm ready to bring this one down. Alrighty, we're ready to bring her down. Alright, just like that. Alright guys, make sure to clean around it. I'm using a brake cleaner right here. Clean it, make sure everything clean before you put the gasket on. Wipe it down really good. Right there, that looks pretty good. It's clean. You should be ready for the gasket shortly. Okay. Alright, looks pretty clean. Guys, we're putting the gasket on, and this is a better gasket than the old one. And this one is a little firm. The old one was a little soft, so this is a lot better than the old one. Okay, just like that, and now we're ready to put the pan on. Alright guys, we got the pan on there now, back on there. I just need to put the bolts on and tighten them up with the 8 point foot-pounds. Okay, I mean 8.7 foot-pounds already.
Pero sa Hong Kong, hindi 22 na yun. Pero sabi naman ng mga marunong, ano na yun, parang negligible. Kasi, ang
daming hindi nagpabaksin, kaya yun ang natutularan.
Hindi na maaari.
Marami pa rin.
Pero, nasa safe, ano na, parang nasa 70%. So, meron pa rin matatamaan yung mga talagang kung makapasok.
Alright guys, we're gonna torque it.
Araw-araw yun.
8.6 or 8.7 foot-pound.
Opposite. Di ba opposite yan? Di ba pre, opposite yan? Diyan tayo. Hindi man, yung mga ano kung mga galing. Meron din sila hindi sound. Merong gano'n dati. Pag hinihigit ang gano'n, merong gumagano'n na manipis. Pag umabot mo sa nandang yun.
Alright guys, the oil pan gasket is installed. Here you go. The pan is installed right there. Okay. Alright, now we just need to put the bracket on here, the cover here, and then the exhaust pipe right there, and it should be ready to go. And make sure to put oil in it. Okay. Alright, thank you for watching my video.